clean the chain, the cassette, the crankset. How many of you do that? You do? What do you use? Oil. With oil you don't do. Oil and clean liner. Diesel or kerosene or petrol. Now here we have, this is diesel, not Sprite. Okay. It's in a Sprite bottle, and this is petrol. This is kept for quite a long time, so it's lost its color. So if you use petrol, what happens? It gets evaporated fast, right? But diesel will remain quite a long time. You can clean it up. Once you clean thoroughly with diesel, then after you can use petrol to clean it up, and then after you have to use
Oil.
even water and soap, some detergent and all, or some liquid to clean it up. Thorough, no oil should be on there. When diesel remain on plastic parts, no, or rubber parts, the rubber parts get spoiled. You have noticed that?
Yes.
So you should not allow too much of diesel staying there somewhere on plastic or on rubber. Then it will spoil the rubber. So you have to clean it up. Okay? So this quick link is not the one that I am talking about. It is a little different. For that we just require plier. If you don't wear gloves, what will happen? All these will come on the hand. Correct, no? I show you some of. I like repairs of cycle. That's why I'm here. Okay. Now if I just press this, the grease has taken so much that
It's slippery.
we are down and top, right?
Yes.
We are down and top. So the down one you push and you come up here. Top one you did, you
come down.
click, it will come one down. So every time one gear up.
Front also that.
Okay, on the right side.
Front
So we
also
have to mostly play with our right hand whenever we have pressure on a leg. So come up, come up, come up, and as you take the climb, you have to be on the biggest cog here, and here in front the
Smallest cog.
smallest chain ring. Smallest chain ring. So it will be like this after. You see that? And with this, you will be doing the climb easily. Once you finish the climb, again come down here, and this you have to come on the. Understood? So how many of you have gears here? Put your hand up, all of you have gears. Do you agree to this? You do like this? Or do you know? I tell you now, students, many a times when we go on a ride, cycle ride, it's like that type of logic. Now gears, many a times you do a shifting. So shifting karta, shift karta, gear weight chodana, kida chodana. Can you tell me why the gear is not coming up? Can you move? Huh? The cable is loose. Any cycle has a quick link? You have? Are you cycle? Get a cycle left. Okay. Now, most of our cycles are having, they're not having nuts and all. We don't use scanners. These are called LNG. What are these called?
LNG.
So, you have to
Like the
just put
brakes.
and then move it.
Brakes.
It's not like this. LNG. You have to put it inside. Even here, this nut also is a LNG. Now for this also I can have one. So this particular thing can go inside and it can rotate and make it tight.
This brake will use it.
How? No. It doesn't have gear on it. It has a quickening asa. It's got a quickening. Okay, come here, get a cycle here.
Your good name,
My
ma'am?
name is Nalini Rodriguez and I have taken a workshop today on balloon sculpting, wherein the students are getting a chance to put their hands on how to sculpt different sculptures basically an animal, a hat, and different things that they can make. So basically, this has been done at purely entertainment purpose for parties, get-togethers, and it's really a beautiful art, very colorful. Children love it, and they really enjoy it.
आयज आमी पळयता की होली क्रॉस बस्तोरा स्कुलान एक स्टेला जे स्पेक्ट्रम एक प्रोग्राम जो आसा तो आयज घडोवन हाडला आनी आयज तुमी रंगोळी जी आसा ही घालप शिकोवंक हांगासर येयल्ली आसा. कितें सांगूंक सोदता त्या बद्दल?
आयज आमी अशें रांगोळीची हें घेतलां न्हू, तिच्यान आमकां खूब शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें, भुरग्यांकय शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें आनी म्हाकाय शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें. हांव पिटे म्हणजे म्हाका हांव सुद्दां घालता, बेजीक घालता, म्हाका अशी कळना. म्हटल्यार आयज हांव शिकलें कशें शेड्स ह्या करता, म्हणजे शेड्स कशे घालपाचे आनी कशी रांगोळी मिक्स करपाची, कसले तरेचे पोर्ट्रेट रांगोळी कसले कलरची, म्हणजे कसली रांगोळी जाय ते बी म्हाका कळ्ळें आनी कशें मिक्स डार्क शेड लायट शेड कसो हें करपाचो करपाचो ते कळ्ळें. तर भुरग्यांकय मातशें कितें ह्या भुरग्यांकय खूब नॉलेज मेळ्ळें, भुरग्यांनी अशें इंट्रस्ट जावन हें केलें, म्हणजे एन्जॉय केलें.
सो तुमकां स्वता हांगासर रांगोळी घालपाक मेळ्ळी, शिकले तुमी स्वता? सो भुरगीं ऑलमोस्ट कितली आशिल्ली?
18 भुरगीं आसलीं.
18.
I want to say that I'm just delighted to see the program evolving to tell the world Stella's, the journey of Stella's, a skill spectrum program started in the year 2023 with a belief and a dream, that every child has a spark to learn skill at that young age in the school itself, which can see them as great entrepreneurs in future. I'm so glad that Stella started with our students. It moved on to the neighboring schools, and now it's open this year in the year 2025-2026. We have opened it for our own parents of our school students, and it's beautifully growing. I'm so delighted that the energy that is found at Holy Cross.
Today I was called as a chief guest for the function Stellar, a skill spectrum 2.0. It was great and wonderful that the school received me as a chief guest today. Today I have seen that the school of Holy Cross, which is my school, is taking up so many functions along with their academic studies. I think it is a good and initiative thing that the students can go along with their studies. So as a time pass, or they may carry the same as their future endorsement plan. So today I want to thank the headmistress of the school, Sister Wendy, and all the staff, teaching and non-teaching staff, for giving me such an honor to be the chief guest of this today's function.
आम्ही पहिली कोर्स केला
ओके.
हँडीक्राफ्टाचो स्टार्टिंगींग आम्ही 6 महिन्याचो क्लास केला 79 मागीर 78 एक वर्स केला DC हँडीक्राफ्ट सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, तो 1 वर्साचो. आणि तो कोर्स जाल्या उपरांत मागीर आमी ह्या धंद्यान भितन गेले आणि ह्या धंद्यान आमी वयतकूच आमकां ह्या धंद्याची गोडी लागली आणि आयज पर्यंत हांव 91 पासून हे काम माझे स्वताचे चालू केले आहे. त्याशिवाय हांव हँडीक्राफ्टाचे कोर्स दिता 4 महिन्याचे 20 दिसाचे. DC हँडीक्राफ्टाचे हांवें क्लास शिकयले, गोंयान अख्ख्या गोंयभर हांवें शिकयल्ले आहा.
I learned a lot in 3 years, and I learned how to handle balloons for the first time. I've never handled like this.
What was taught?
Sorry,
What was taught?
we were taught to make different sculptures. We started with a dog, and now we're trying to do a hand.
So with the help of balloon.
Yes, everything with a balloon.
Yes, everything with the balloon.
Yes.
So why do you think this is important to learn?
I think we can help in different types of decorations instead of spending a lot on outside decorators and stuff. We can do decorations at home, and we can help around with the family functions and